I would say it's a simple process that can be available to anybody. It's easy to understand. Rachelle Lamb, how she shares this work is extremely personable, and you can connect with her. She's very real, which is beautiful. Yeah, you can't lose.
It would really be for anyone. I don't know if she does work with children, but I think they would be well served too. And to just take ourselves out of the center again, to say that, and to look behind us, who's coming up behind, and what are we doing? So when those young ones go, when things were falling apart, what were you up to? That you would have something to say. And I think that's what her work can really do. People can, maybe they come to it with more personal agendas, but the way that she presents it expands your view of how this NVC might serve in the world. And then you can look behind and see those ones coming and just be fired up to proceed differently.
You know, we all go to school and we're being educated in school. And I would really hope one day what Rachelle is teaching will be one of the curriculum in school. That will make such a big difference to who we become, because I believe education is about getting to know who we really are instead of learning about, you know, facts and skills and knowledge. Those are important things as well, but, you know, this is the truly important thing in life, to become who we really are. It's something Rachelle said the first day about nonviolent communication. She said that nonviolent communication is not something to help you to get the results you want in your life. It's to get us to become human. And for me, that reminds me the importance of not always thinking about, you know, what I want in life, and also not always getting into a very solution-oriented mindset, which is natural, I guess, is our upbringing, but more in terms of, you know, who I really am. And if I can come from that place, which is for me, it's the heart space, if I can do that, then yeah, things will be very different. The world will be very different. So that's one of the things that I feel is my biggest takeaway, to remind myself.
What brought me to Rachelle Lamb's presentation of nonviolent communication was the need for more meaningful connection with my partner. I find that we were lacking emotion and feeling. I was numb to that, being gone through a few different life problems. And I could see that kind of coming through in our relationship, where we were just at a point where we wanted to just close the door instead of really dealing with the issue. And so I think through this forum, we're able to just reconnect with our feelings, and expressing our needs in a way that is, you know, going to enable us to connect more genuinely. I want to be able to convey my feelings to my partner and my family and my son in a way that they can get. They know where I'm coming from. They can feel me. They can feel my connection. They can feel my emotion. But I would think the one thing that I take from this course, Nonviolent Communication, is how to connect with the people that matter the most.